The Kreg Multi-MarkT is an incredibly handy multi-purpose measuring tool, perfect for a wide variety of applications in your home or on the job site. Trim work, setting reveals, laying out mitered corners, transferring measurements, gauging blade heights, alignment control, and much more. Loads of functionality packed into one compact, handy little tool. The key to the Multi-MarkT is its sliding metric and imperial marked scale that can be positioned in 3 different configurations: standard, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees. Each position can be locked in anywhere along the scale to provide accuracy and repetition for a wide variety of project solutions. The base of the Multi-MarkT is an exact 6 inches. So, set in the standard position, the Multi-MarkT can be used cumulatively by extending the scale to grab measurements up to 10.5 inches. Perfect for repetitive marks or transferring measurements. Finding the correct measurements for mitered corners on door and window trim while setting the proper reveal can be difficult and time-consuming. The Multi-MarkT eliminates this guesswork by setting the industry standard 3/16" reveal for you, with a built-in reveal edge molded right on its body. Simply lay the Multi-MarkT up into the top of the door jamb and mark the reveal. This gives you the accurate reference point of layout and measurement for confidently cutting your trim to length. The built-in reveal also lets you reference your trim at the perfect 3/16" reveal along the entire run of the piece while nailing in place. No need to measure and align the trim to marks, just position the Multi-MarkT against the door jamb and align the trim to the edge and nail into place. Set in the standard or 90-degree position, the Multi-MarkT serves as a precise, transferable depth gauge, excellent for capturing profile depths and transferring that depth to router bits and saw blades. Also, set in the standard position, the Multi-MarkT is perfect for capturing measurements and transferring them to your saw or layout without the need to take an actual measurement. Take tile, for example. Simply pick up the distance needed between the wall and the last tile and then transfer that distance to the tile. For shorter distances, you can easily scribe the mark directly across the tile. No measuring, no guessing, no hassle. The Kreg Multi-MarkT makes repetitive work a snap. Installing hardware on cabinet doors can require the use of a pre-made jig or making separate measurements on each door. With the Multi-MarkT scale in the 90-degree position at the desired depth and height, quickly mark the hardware location by referencing the bottom and side of each cabinet door. This guarantees exact location of every piece of hardware in your kitchen and cuts your time in half. These are just some of the examples of what you can use your Multi-MarkT for. The options are limitless, and you'll find hundreds of ways to use this multi-functioning tool. From scribing lines, making marks for layout, basic measurement, general squaring, leveling pictures, and more, this is one tool that does it all.